We are tracking the tropics and what is now a tropical depression in the Gulf of Mexico.
That means the possibility of heavy rain and flooding starting tomorrow. Channel 2 meteorologist Britta Merwin is tracking that system. Britta?
Yes, and right now we're still tracking a tropical depression, but over the next 24 hours, most likely we'll have our earliest age name storm on record. That would be Tropical Storm Hannah. Right now, the winds still below that threshold. So we are at 35 miles per hour. For a tropical storm, we need 39. So we're pretty close to that threshold, and that could be happening later today. I'll pause the clock at landfall. So right now, the latest update from the Hurricane Center still keeps that landfall to the south of us, but we still have portions of Brazoria County and Matagorda County included in the cone. And keep in mind, the cone is where the center of the storm is 2/3 of the time. The impacts will be outside of the cone. That landfall early Saturday morning with winds sustained at 50 miles per hour. The largest impact for us here in southeast Texas is going to be the heavy rainfall, especially as we go into the day on Saturday. The good news is it's a moving storm. It's going to push off to the west, but as it moves inland, that rain is going to fill in, and heavy rainfall is going to be a large concern for the weekend. Right now, we do have tropical storm watches posted for our coastline. It does include southeast Harris County. We do have about a 20 to 30% chance of our coastline being impacted by tropical storm force winds. That's a wind sustained at 39 miles per hour. But most likely we'll have to look for in terms of those gusty winds will be right along the coast. We could see some isolated strong wind gusts. Because today is kind of the calm before the storm, it's pretty warm outside ahead of it. We have a little slice of dry air. Temperatures right now 90 degrees. When you factor in the humidity that is present, it feels like 103. This is the driest day that we've had for the entire work week. Right now we just have a few isolated showers in coastal areas of Brazoria County, and we only have a 20 to 30% chance of rain as we go into the afternoon. We'll top off in the low 90s. It's going to feel like the triple digits, so hopefully you get a quick passing shower. Coming up next, Lisa and Andy, I'm going to give you a detailed hour-by-hour look at what we're anticipating with what could be Tropical Storm Hannah, and let you know how much rain we're expecting and some of the local impacts that we could be facing. Over to you.
We'll see you then. Thanks, Britta. You can track the activity over the Gulf by downloading our free Hurricane Tracker app. Just search KPRC in your app store.